Stop. Before you accept a master's price tag that looks like a mortgage, pause. Because some of you are about to pay a life-changing amount for a degree, and you do not need to. Today, I'm giving you an exit door. Germany's low or no tuition public university pathway, Erasmus Mundus full-ride scholarships, and 2 high-value scholarship options in Belgium and the Netherlands. Then, we'll talk residency and citizenship honestly, with the update most people keep getting wrong. And I need to say this up front because I want you making grown decisions. $0 tuition does not mean free life. It means the money problem changes shape. In the best case, you stop paying tuition and you start paying strategy. Here's what you're getting in this video. How Germany actually works and the exceptions people miss. How to compare Europe versus the high-cost model without delusion. The Erasmus Mundus full ride lane, plus the deadline window you must hit. 2 scholarships built for non-European students, Belgium and the Netherlands. The residency and citizenship conversation with the real 2025 update. A clear action plan you can execute immediately. Stay to the end because I'll give you a tight checklist and timeline so you don't lose a whole year. This video is education, not legal or immigration advice. Policies and fees can change, so always verify on official university and government pages before you commit. Let's start with Germany, because Germany is the foundation. In Germany, many public universities do not charge tuition fees for a lot of programs, especially in the normal public model people mean when they say tuition free. But students usually pay something called a semester contribution, an administrative and student services fee. DAAD describes semester contributions as ranging roughly from 70 to 430 euros per semester, depending on the institution and what's included. And that matters what's included. Semester fees can help fund student services, student unions, and sometimes public transport tickets, depending on the institution. That is a radically different universe from tuition-driven systems. But, legends, I will not sell you a fairy tale. Germany has exceptions, and they matter. In the state of Baden-Württemberg, non-EU EEA students are charged 1,500 euros per semester in tuition fees at public institutions for many programs. Universities in the state publish it clearly. So, when someone screams, "Germany is free," your correct response is, "Mostly, but check the state and the program." Here's the newer update people keep missing. In Bavaria, universities can charge tuition for non-EU EEA students under the Bavarian Higher Education Act. And some institutions may apply this from winter semester 2024-25 onward. The most visible example is Technical University of Munich, TUM. TUM states that tuition fees for students from non-EU countries are charged from winter semester 2024-25, and that master's fees are typically 4,000 or 6,000 euros per semester, depending on the program. So the upgraded rule is this. Do not ask, "Is Germany free?" Ask, "Is this program at this university in this state tuition-free for my status?" That one question will save you thousands. When people compare destinations, they love tuition because tuition is the loudest number. But the number that decides your survival is living cost and visa proof. Germany uses a proof of funds logic for many student visa cases. Multiple German mission checklists and updates reflect a monthly amount of 992 euros and a yearly proof amount of 11,904 euros. Translation: even if tuition is low, you still need a plan for rent, health insurance, food, and the visa reality. Tuition free can still become stressful if your plan is hope. So, your strategy matures here. You do not just ask, "Where is tuition cheapest?" You ask, "Where is total cost manageable, and where can I secure funding that covers living expenses?" Now, if you want the closest thing to a true full ride in Europe, you need to know Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters. These are integrated master's programs run by consortia of universities across multiple countries. The scholarship is designed to cover major costs, typically including a tuition fee waiver and support for living and mobility. Here's the timeline most people mess up. In most cases, you apply between October and January for programs starting the next academic year. Miss that window, and you wait a full cycle. Now the funding logic. Official Erasmus Mundus guidance describes a unit-cost scholarship model that is often communicated as 1,400 euros times the number of months, up to a maximum duration of 24 months. Important brand-safe nuance. Programs can allocate portions differently across insurance, travel, and other costs, so what hits your account monthly can vary by program. But the big point remains. This is one of the strongest funding lanes in Europe when you execute properly. And because it's competitive, you need a premium application approach. Your story must match the program mission, no generic SOP. Your CV must show outcomes, not adjectives. Your recommendations must speak to impact, not personality. If Erasmus Mundus isn't your lane, here are 2 real scholarships designed to attract non-European talent. Belgium, Mastermind Scholarship, Flanders and Brussels. A Mastermind Scholarship includes a grant of 10,225 euros per academic year, plus a tuition fee waiver, and the call for 2026-2027 is open on the official Study in Flanders site. This is not a pity scholarship. It is designed for outstanding international students. If your profile is strong, apply. Netherlands, Maastricht University NL High Potential. Maastricht University states that its NL High Potential program offers full scholarships of 34,000 euros, including a tuition fee waiver and monthly stipend for highly talented students from outside the EU. Again, competitive by design. That's the point. Now, let's talk citizenship, because the internet loves a shortcut story. A lot of content repeats the line, "Germany lets you naturalize in 3 years." Here's the reality update. Germany's reforms reduce the standard residence requirement to 5 years, and the earlier 3-year fast-track concept is no longer available after later changes. So the realistic takeaway is this. Germany's pathway is primarily a 5-year route, with requirements around language, integration, financial stability, and a clean record. Study can be part of your long-term plan, but citizenship is not a free gift inside your acceptance letter. If immigration is a factor in your decision, verify the current rules through official sources before you build your entire plan on a headline. Now, the playbook. Step 1. Pick your track. Track A, Germany low tuition public universities, plus targeted scholarships, plus legal student work where applicable, plus a real budget. Track B, full ride competition, Erasmus Mundus first, then scholarships like Mastermind and Maastricht NL. Step 2. Shortlist by total cost, not tuition. A tuition-free program in an expensive city can still break you. A modest tuition in a cheaper city can be the smarter choice. Step 3. Lock your timeline. For Erasmus Mundus, treat October to January as your danger zone. That's the main application period for many programs. For university scholarships, deadlines vary, but winners are early movers. Step 5. Build the proof file. Your CV, motivation letter, transcripts, references, proof of language where required, and your story. Scholarships reward clarity. They do not reward desperation. If you want a structured system for building scholarship-grade applications, including how to frame your story and build a proof file that actually converts, check out the Offer-Winning Grad School Toolkit. It's built for legends who want strategy, not guesswork. Stop drowning in student debt. Start your career with a European master's degree, lower tuition exposure, credible scholarships, and a realistic plan. And remember the rules. Germany can be low tuition, but state and university exceptions exist, especially Baden-Württemberg and parts of Bavaria like TUM. Living costs and visa proof matter. Plan for the 992 euros per month reality. Erasmus Mundus is real, but it's deadline sensitive. October to January is the window. Citizenship is not a shortcut. The minimum is 5 years now for Germany. Subscribe if you want more funding breakdowns like this weekly.